Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this video, I'm going to show a simple step on how to increase your YouTube ad revenue. You can apply this method both on your uploaded videos and live stream videos. Hover your mouse to your video and click the $sign, which is for monetization. This will bring us to the video monetization window. Check during video or what we call mid-roll. Then, Manage Mid-rolls will appear. Just click it. You can add ad breaks through timestamps. Or, you can drag this line manually. Once you're done putting all the ad breaks, go ahead and click Continue. Then, click Save. There you go, we are now done. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. You can leave your comment and suggestions down below. And for more videos, hit that subscribe button. Thank you.